Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over another Leetcode question, first unique character in a string. Major tech companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, LinkedIn are asking this question while they're conducting their technical interviews. I hope you will find this video tutorial helpful for your technical interview preparation. Let's start with reading the question. Given a string, find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. If it doesn't exist, return -1. Examples: Leetcode, return 0. L is the first non-repeating character here. Love Leetcode. There is L appears twice, O appears twice here, and V is the first non-repeating character and its index is 0, 1, 2. We return 2 here. Note, you may assume the string contains only lowercase English letters, and this line is important. We need to be careful about this. Let's get on the whiteboard and try to solve this. So we are going to use ASCII table to solve this question. For example, we create a frequency array. This is an array size of 26. 26 is the size of the alphabet. We have 26 letters, so we create 26 here. This is a frequency array, and when we initialize this array, all the integers are 0. This is how you initialize in Java. All the integers are 0, right? So what we do here is we need to set these numbers, right? And to set them, I will go through this string in a for loop, and for example, s dot character at I is A. A minus A. A in the ASCII table is 97. 97 minus 97, because this is an integer, is 0. So frequency table 0 is this. That's how I will access this table. S dot char at I is B is 98. Minus 97 is 1. Frequency 1 is, we're changing. Frequency S char at I is L. L is 108 minus 97 is 11. So 11th number is probably this, and I will update this. So that's the idea. Excuse me. So what I will do here is I will go through this array. Int I is 0, I is s.linked I++, and frequency table s.char at I, for example in this case A, minus A, and I increment that number in the array. For example, I see A here, right? So I incremented, I made it 1. And I come across A again, I incremented this again. So I have 2 A's. And I have 1 B. S.char at I is 98 minus 97 is 1. So when I'm at B, I will increment this to 1. Then I will increment L is 108, 11, 0, 1, 2, 3. Anyway, 11th number. And I'll increment it to 1. And I will set this frequency table this way. I'll increment all the numbers. And some numbers will be 1, some numbers will be 0, and the others are 2, 3, 4, whatever, how many times they appear. So in the next iteration, I'll go through this again and check if this integer is 1. And we will go using s.linked again, so we are going iterating from the beginning. As soon as we see, for example, this, a char at I minus A, finding it in the table, if that character is 1, that means it appears only 1 time. Okay, because I went through this array, I incremented every time I see it, and I see it only once, and incremented it. When I see this only once, I increment it to 1. If it's 1 in the second loop, then I simply return its index value. And that's what the question is asking from me, index value. So I return I. If I can't find this, I simply return -1. Again, that was in the question. So this is pretty much it. You will see this quite often in the questions. Alphabet, size is 26, integer array, size 26. Go through the array, just like set its integer, will increment them. If it's 1, just return. That's what you need to do. So let's see this in the code. Okay, this is the same code. Frequency, s.link, char it, I minus a plus plus. If it's 1, return the I, otherwise return -1. Submit. Looks like it works, yeah. So this is pretty much it for this question. I hope it was helpful. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I have more videos coming up, so again, if you subscribe, we can meet again later. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.